Third space is London's luxury gym collection. We have 13 clubs at the moment, about to open our 14th. We very much focus on group exercise, personal training, nutrition. We have a medical business and also a recovery spa.
If you're a premium brand like we are, then people expect every interaction to be best in class. Therefore, the bar we have to set ourselves for the technology side of things is just as high as we put on our personal training standard. You just got to be at that level because that's what your customers expect.
Partnership with Talk Think Do, we completely rebuilt our back-end booking and buying and management system, which we now call Atlas, and then we've moved on to the complete rebuild of our member app and our Instructor App on new platforms to improve members' experience.
We've got over 13,000 classes a month on the timetable, over 600 instructors, so there's a lot of moving parts and there's a real need for us to be very, very reactive. Since we've worked with Talk Think Do and we have Atlas in place, it now works exactly how we need it to. It's given us endless amount of time back, changes can be made instantly, it's very clear for instructors where they need to be, when they need to be. We can cancel classes a lot quicker, we can give members notification a lot quicker, so it's a game changer for us and my Group X managers in clubs.
The most important thing was achieving stability, because that was a problem we had with our previous application. We just had too much downtime. We knew if we're having problems with 25,000 member base and 7 clubs 2 years ago, you could look in the future, it wasn't going to get any easier. If members can't get on to book those classes, that's what they're paying for, it's a crisis. So anything to do with eliminating downtime is crucial. And since we put the new system in place, those issues are ancient history.
With strategy, you can take a build or a buy approach, but actually membership experience is so unique, so bespoke. The choice to build our member app is so key because we can evolve it, we can change it. It's completely down to how we want that experience to be. And also with the use of technology like AI, we can really help to create that personalized experience now. With a SaaS vendor, it's on their timeline whether they make features or innovation changes. With us and working in partnership with Talk Think Do, we're able to create that together and quicker.
What I found with Talk Think Do is that they've almost become part of the team. We have meetings incredibly regularly. They're very focused and driven to deliver the same things that we are. I feel like we don't really have any barriers anymore. They've built up a great deal of knowledge about our business, which is rare, particularly when you're working with a third-party supplier.
At the heart of it, you want to be proud of every single component of what you have and what you do. I'd happily sit in front of everyone, whether it be a member of the board, investor or customer, and say, look, here's our app, and be as proud as anything that fits our brand. So I think that's probably the ultimate testament, is when it becomes an asset to the business, then that's all you can ask for.